Right, cam chain. So it's asking to get the left hand cylinder side piston to top dead centre, aligning this Woodruff key to, I believe, like the centre of this. I've put a line and it to this point here. It's all a bit crap, I think, that. So a better way is to get a dial gauge. Which will set up. I would say it's more accurate than the other method. So that's good. So the crank is lined up now. And you have to line up these holes here. Well, not holes, it's like an alignment mark, I believe, to there and there. That's, I would say, pretty spot on. There's a proper measuring device. So cam chain. Right, so the crank is aligned to the left top dead centre. These I'm happy with. Let's double check. Yeah. So I've got a new chain. There's witness marks there from where it was installed, so that goes this way. Hooks onto that. I'll just put one in just to keep it in place. Now everything just moved then. So we shall start again, but we need some Loctite on these. So That's nicely there. It's kind of hard to tell now, but I think that's correct. Okay, torque these 10 mils to 168 pounds inches. Okay, and you stop it rotating, just put a spanner on there. Okay, cam chain guide slides in. They do crack, I've seen around here. This one's alright, so I'm just reusing it. It feels quite soft as well, like it's not brittle. So I think it's been replaced at some point, fairly recent. With this, I guess, going like that. Okay. Not sure where this goes. There? Actually not. Ah, okay. So there's new O-ring, came in the gasket kit for the tensioner adjuster. Just put it on loose for now. I don't know where that spring goes. Surely it doesn't just go there. Have to look at my previous videos. Time for a cup of tea. Right, all has come clear. So I also missed this. I don't know what it's doing. I think it's just like an extra support. damper washer. So anyway, it fits, I believe, like that. I'll have to double check. And this pin actually hooks not like that. It hooks like this. So the coils are at the top. I'll have to use 2 hands for that. Okay, so that's all back together. That's loose with a new O-ring. That's on, and the spring hooks onto this. Like so. We bolt them all together. 3 small, 1 large. I guess for large, I'll go there. Could be wrong. And I think it's not a bad idea to Loctite these. 10mm. So I'm going for 180 pounds inches. Good. That's okay. That's loose as it says. Leave that loose for now. That's it, camshaft done.